Welcome to the Big Brian Show. Nice. Yo, what's up, guys? And welcome to Cooking with Big Brian. Oh, yeah. And today, Big Brian is cooking, once again, one of my favorite meals, ham and eggs. And I'm sauteing my onions right now. Okay. And I'm using, sometimes I use this stuff right here, non-stick cooking spray. And I'm using, I like this stuff, Blue Bonnet butter. Everything's better with Blue Bonnet on it. Anyway, that's what Big Brian's cooking today. So I'm just get my onions going. Okay, guys, now it's time to put the egg in. Got them scrambled up real good. Oh yeah. And now I'm gonna add the cheese. This is mozzarella. I love mozzarella. There you go. Let that cook for a minute. Let's add a little bit more cheese to that. Have some cheese, right? There we go. Put my pepper in. And a little bit of salt. I don't eat a lot of salt. Bad for you. But oh yeah. I like my cheese to cook while the egg is cooking. Sometimes you go to a restaurant and they'll cook the egg and then lay the cheese on top of it. I don't like that. I like my cheese to cook with the egg. Oh yeah. Leave a comment, guys. Tell me what's your favorite cheese. I like cheddar. I like mozzarella. Depends on what I'm eating. Not too crazy about Swiss. Depends on what I'm eating, you know. Swiss goes good on certain sandwiches. I think we're done here. Oh yeah. I can't help it, guys. I gotta taste it. Oh yeah, that is good. Nice and cheesy. Okay, guys, my egg is done, and now I'm cooking some. This is, look at that, Hatfield, fully cooked ham. Hatfield, like the Hatfield and McCoys. Could be that family that this ham come from. But anyway, this is good ham. I like it. I love it. It's fully cooked, so I'm basically just heating it up. That's all I'm doing. Heating it up. I'm just heating it up. Little darling, heating it up. Heating up that ham. Little darling, heating it up. Heating up that ham. Ham bone, where again? California back again. Okay. Okay, guys. Now I'm gonna try one more thing. For the first time, mother's made sliced potatoes. So I'm gonna try these. This is my hash brown. First time ever trying this. And heat these up. Heat these potatoes up. See how that tastes. I'm gonna hook them up with some pepper. Gotta have my pepper. Salt and pepper's here. All right. Gotta add some salt. I'm gonna let this cook for a few minutes. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, potatoes are done. Didn't take long. So that's my hash brown. They don't taste bad. They have a little canned taste, but not overbearing. You add the salt and pepper to it, and be okay. It's already sliced up though. Those are my hash browns. Or should I say, potatoes. Okay, let me put all this on the plate. There's my meal for tonight, guys. Got my Texas Pete hot sauce. My dad used to like this stuff, and I like it too. And there's my meal. Bam! Oh yeah, look at that. Let you know how this tastes. I got my ham and eggs. And my potatoes, home style. Oh yeah. Man. Me and Zoe gonna be eating this. How's all? Hey, baby girl. She loves this ham too. Here. There you go. Don't make Daddy look bad now. You guys have a great day. I know I am. Oh yeah. Big Brian, sign it out. Peace. Oh yeah, and I got my cherry 7 Up. Bye.